I made this Christmas-themed ad for a small puff-puff business. And the best part, it was created entirely using AI from start to finish.
Some days, it's the little things that feel like a big win. That warm smell, that golden bag, that taste of home waiting after a long day. Because when it's Mama Ben Puff Puff, it's not just a snack, it's love wrapped in paper. And for her, it's more than puff puff. It's Christmas, it's laughter, it's a little round piece of happiness from Mama Ben.
You've probably seen tons of videos teaching you how to create ads or content using free AI tools. But here's what most of them don't tell you. Many of those platforms only allow free image and video generations for personal use. That means if you use them to make videos for your business or clients, you could actually be violating their terms of service. And that can cause real problems down the line. In this video, I'll show you a smarter, very low-cost way to create ads for your business using AI, with full commercial rights to everything you make. No risks. So, the first thing we need is our script. To do that, we'll head over to ChatGPT. And the good news is this will cost you nothing. In ChatGPT, type something like, write a 30-second ad script for an African home bakery selling fresh puff puff. Include a catchy tagline. Of course, this depends on your business. If you're selling wigs, replace home bakery with wigs. If you're selling cutlery, do the same. Once you've entered your prompt, click send and ChatGPT will generate a 30-second ad script for you. You might want a 45-second version instead. That's fine too. Just include your preferred duration in your prompt. Once you get your result, make sure to tweak it based on your needs. You can refine the tone, adjust the style, or emphasize your brand's personality. Next, we'll identify all the characters in your script. And for that, we need image prompts. This step is key for maintaining character consistency throughout your video. So, ask ChatGPT to write image prompts for each character in your ad. Make sure these prompts include specific details like hair type, skin tone, clothing, and height. These details will help the AI create consistent characters across all your scenes. You can always tweak or refine ChatGPT's suggestions until you're happy with them. Once your character prompts are ready, it's time to move on to scene creation. For this, ask ChatGPT to write image prompts for each scene, including the corresponding video prompts. Make sure to include camera lens type, lighting, and the right angles for a cinematic feel. ChatGPT will generate both the image and video prompts for your ad scene by scene. If you already have your own business photos, you can also use those as references. AI tools can help make them more cinematic by improving lighting, depth, or color grading. Once you have your image and video prompts, we're ready to move to Wavespeed AI, one of my favorite platforms for this. Now, I promised a low-cost method, and here's why Wavespeed AI is perfect. It doesn't require a subscription. It's pay as you go, meaning you only pay for what you create. You can make a full ad for as little as $5 or even less. When you get to Wavespeed, click Explore. You'll see different model options. Personally, I prefer using Seedream. Click on Seedream before creating your scenes. First, generate the main characters' images so they stay consistent throughout. With $1, you can generate up to 37 images with this model. Now, the first result isn't always perfect. Sometimes you get lucky, but often you'll need a few tries to get the best one. Even if you generate 37 times, that's still just $1. Maybe you'll spend $2, but it's still far cheaper than a monthly subscription. So here is the reference character image I generated. It is important to have your character reference images so characters stay consistent across the different scenes. Now, once you have your reference character images, we move on to creating the images for each scene. Go to Seedream again, but this time select Seedream version 4 Edit. Once you click on version 4 Edit, insert the image prompt for scene 1, and based on the characters within that scene, upload the corresponding character reference images here. You can upload several depending on how many characters appear in that scene. Let me give you an example of what I did. For instance, not only did I create a reference image for the lady, but I also created one for the puff puff, just so that it stays consistent across all scenes. As you can see here, I was able to place the lady in an image that also includes other family members. Once you've created all your images for the different scenes and you're satisfied with the level of consistency, we can move on to generating our videos. To generate your video, go to Explore and choose Seedance Video. You can use other video model options, but I believe this one gives you the best results for what you pay. Click on Seedance and you will see several model options. I personally like Seedance version 1 Pro 1080p. You can try the others, but I really like this one. When you click on it, enter your video prompt, which again you got from ChatGPT, and then upload the image you want to animate. It will show you that for a 5-second duration, it costs 60 cents. With $10, you can generate about 16 clips at 5 seconds each. I like that it's transparent. You know exactly what you're getting. Now, let me show you an example of what I generated. In this case, I just wanted the lady animated in her kitchen. I entered the prompts, uploaded the image I wanted to animate, and this is the result I got. I actually really liked it. Of course, you'll need to specify what you want the lady to be doing in the image. I'll show you another example. This one of a child eating puff puff. I explained the child's expression in the prompt, and here's what I got. I like the outcome. If you don't like yours, you can simply generate it again as many times as needed until you get the perfect version. And that's it. You've just seen how easy it is to create beautiful, professional Christmas ads for your business using AI. Whether it's puff puff, small chops, or wigs, remember, with a little creativity, you can make your brand shine this festive season. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with another small business owner who could use a little AI magic this Christmas.